Hey guys, we're going to talk about killing winter weeds in your lawn today. Short video, nothing real extensive, so hold on one sec.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you looking for weeds? You looking for weeds? I'm gonna kill you with karate chops. You're a winter weed. I'm gonna kill you. You're a winter weed. I'm going to kill you with karate chops. Karate chops. Karate chops. I'll kill you with karate chops.
Hey guys, seems like I've been getting a lot of comments on videos about, hey Doc, I need to kill winter weeds. What do I do? So I'm going to make a video for you. This isn't going to be a very long video. In fact, it's going to be very short because what I did was I put my time into creating a page, a web page that shows you, talks about winter weeds, the types of winter weeds, what products to use, how to kill them. First of all, this is a great time of year to kill winter weeds because your lawn is dormant. You're not going to hurt your Bermuda grass, so you can go out there and just kill the heck out of winter weeds. Great time to do it, but you need to know which one you need to kill. Do I have broadleaf weeds or do I have poana? Those are the two main weeds we're going to be thinking about today. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk across the street and I'm going to show you, well, I'm going to show you my front lawn, Barb's front lawn, and then yards across the street that did not have pre-emergent, the difference between those two. Don't forget, click the subscribe button, and the reason why I want you to click the subscribe button is we've got so many videos coming out, and a lot of those have to do not only with what we're going to be doing with treatments on our lawn, but the other lawns, taking bad lawns and making them into good lawns, but also the Super Juice. Of course, the Super Juice is brand new fertilizer, 100% complete. First time that something real like this has been introduced to the market. I developed it. I asked the company to make it for me. It's a dry mix. It has everything inside of it. You can use it as a primary. You can use it as a supplement to your current feeding program. It's just a wonderful product. And that brand new product will be released in February. Next week, I'm going to show you how to mix it. I'm going to do a whole bunch of videos about how to mix it and about putting it out, the different ways to put it out, whether you want to use it as a primary or a supplement feed. It's up to you. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those videos. So let's go across the street. Let's look at these lawns. All right, so let's just look at this patch. Here's a patch of my lawn right here. You can see I got nice brown, soft, fuzzy Bermuda. Really no weeds here. Barb's lawn. You can see Barb's over here. There's Barb's. Solid brown. Not one single weed. Let's walk across the street to the yard of death. And you can see what we got going on here. First of all, you can see the big clumps of onion grass. This stuff right here, I guess we call it onion grass. And then we start to go into the mixed salad. And we've got all kinds of stuff here. If you want to say that's henbit, there's a couple of names for this stuff depending on it. There's all kinds of weeds in here. Just tons of stuff growing. Look at this. Now this is amazing. You can see everything we got going on here. Look at all this stuff. So this place is just kind of infested. This is the lawn that I took over last year, but I did not put pre-emergent on. And you can see all the poana. There's a bunch of poana starting to come up here along with other weeds. This lawn has a little bit of a green, cast to it, just because of all the poana and little weeds that are coming out. And it's not a big problem. We can treat it. A couple hours later, it's getting close to sunset, as you can see. It's going to be chilly again. The question is, the only thing you have to do is just make sure you match up your actual killers to the weeds that you have, and there really is just two kind of varieties to that. And you've got your broadleaf, which is the majority of the weeds that you're going to see out here, and then you've got your poana, and that's really the only variation you have to make in your weed killers, I've found, is you got poana and then everything else. Now, if you do have poana, I will let you know. Now, this backyard, when we first bought the house, was solid green this time of year with poana. I mean, it was literally infested. And the reason why I wanted to kill it is I didn't want it competing in the springtime with my Bermuda grass. A lot of the lawn companies will say, oh no, you don't have to treat it. Treat it if you've got a lot of it. If you've got a lot of poana in the springtime, it's going to compete with that Bermuda if it's really thick. So it will die off once the heat comes, but I want it to die off sooner than that. So that's why I treat it. Now, when you treat Poa annua, it works a little bit differently. Most of it has to be absorbed by the roots. So, and it takes a long time. You'll see it'll take a good 2 weeks for it to start to yellow up, just so you know. So don't think it's not working. It takes almost 2 weeks for it to start to change color and turn yellow. Your broadleaf weeds, I always say, like, I looked at the 10-day forecast, and next week, it's freezing out here the past couple days. I mean, this is that polar vortex. I mean, we've been down close to 19 degrees at night. Next week, next Wednesday, I think it is, we're going to have a high of 71 and sunny. We're going to have 68, 70, 71. That's crazy. That would be a great time to put out the weed killer. And the reason why I say that is because your weeds will actually be a little more active at that time. So what I like to do is wait till I'm not going to have any rain. Wait till a little bit of a warm front move in, then put out that weed killer. That's a good time to do it. Your lawn is still dormant because you just have a little warm front coming through, but the weeds will actually liven up a little bit. So that's when you want to do it. So wait for that warm front, wait for dry, go ahead and treat it. Again, broadleaf versus the Poa annua, the two different ones. Talk to you later. Be shooting that new Super Juice video next week, so hold on. Talk to you later. Doc.